My name is Dr. Greg Gillespie, and I work here at Gillespie Dentistry. In my practice, I've been lucky enough that I'm the second generation, and my dad was always on the forefront of technology, and patients would always say, wow, you guys have the greatest stuff here. And I knew when I was very early on that patients noticed the technology was important, and then I noticed the difference it could make in my treatment. For years, I used to use multiple imaging softwares, and it was such a headache. I would always have to pull up one window here, I would have a separate window here, one with my bite wings, one with my cone beam, another one with my intraoral scan, and I would have like 3 windows here for patients, and it was crazy. DTX Studio Clinic is amazing because it's essentially everything imaging in one platform. You don't have to have separate windows that are opened up. You don't have to have separate softwares. It's one imaging software with everything you could want. 2D images, 3D images, intraoral scans, intraoral pictures, extraoral pictures, everything in one platform. And that is a game changer for me, and I love it. Having all of these images in the same window now changes the way that I approach managing a case, because I'm not afraid to do it right in front of a patient immediately because it's so easy, it's seamless, it looks like I know what I'm doing, it's easy to translate that to the patient, treatment plan together with the patient right there in front of them. So I don't have to bring them back for another treatment plan consult. We do it real time. Because I use DTX Studio Clinic every day, and I love how easy it is, sometimes I forget the impact that seeing images clearly can have on a patient. Just today, I had a patient come in. She was coming in for a cosmetic consult, and she knew that she didn't like a tooth that was dark, but she didn't know why. I pulled up all of her images, and so quickly, you could see on a 2D periapical image, because it was colorized, that there was an apical lesion up there. You could see it on the 3D image clearly, and on the 2D image. You could see it everywhere so easily. And guess what the patient said to me? She said, I never knew why there was a problem with my tooth, but now I can see it so clearly on these images what's going on. I couldn't even believe it. She was diagnosing for me the problem with her tooth. And that's what I love about DTX Studio Clinic. It actually delivers what it says it can do. As easy as you think it is to plan an implant, it really is that easy. As easy it is to use colorization for AI to be able to communicate to a patient what it looks like and where the problems are, it really is that easy. What they say they can do, they're doing, and it's getting better. If you want something to work well in your office, it has to be easy to use. If not, your team's gonna get frustrated, you're gonna get frustrated as a doctor, and then you end up not using it. If you want one system that is comprehensive, that does everything you want it to do, I've found my answer in DTX Studio Clinic.